more power to keep our descent coming. And as we go through the clouds, we're going to put on engine heat. So we have this all loaded, right?
182 boss for the low.
Let's brief the approach. He's going to give us radar vectors to here. We're going to come in runway 32 following this path. If we have to go missed.
30 Delta Charlie, contact New York, approach 120.05.
20050 Delta Charlie, thank you.
All
right, so finishing the brief.
98 at Iceland Jet 27.
She's heading us to Deer Park. Eventually they'll head us to Smyrna, right? They will. This is our missed approach. So if we had to go missed.
What's that?
We're not landing.
Moxie 320.
You can't see the runway.
350 and descend and maintain 2000.
350 down to 2000. We got the field side for Alps Moxie 320.
Moxie 320, you want the visual approach?
Yeah, I'll take the visual Moxie 320.
Moxie 320, roger. Your cleared visual approach runway 24. There's traffic 12 o'clock.
Flowing us to 220 and continuing the descent.
Type unknown.
So I'm at idle power now.
And clear for the visual runway 24 Moxie 320.
Okay. So yeah, plane on the runway, or you don't see the runway in time, you go miss. So it's a climb to 2,000 feet. We'd keep the autopilot on. What's really nifty is the autopilot will fly the mist.
I remember we did that.
Number 80 Bravo Yankee New York approach,
Right.
monitoring
And
frequency.
Right, we did.
There's a traffic.
That was the first time I'd ever gone missed, and I was not prepared.
Yeah, I forgot to prepare you. A little bit bumpy. Let's bring it. I'll bring the power to
Thank you.
No problem.
60.
We're actually going to farming those to follow the south.
Bring our speed to 200.
Sure, just stand by for a code.
I still see some clouds in
Number 0
front.
Delta Charlie, 6 miles from Tracy, pursuit at Tracy, cross Tracy at 2000 clear GPS runway 32 clear.
Direct Tracy, cross Tracy, 2000, cleared for the RNAV 32 approach there with Delta Charlie. Okay, so what I want you to do is activate the approach, APR.
Number 0 Delta Charlie, contact Republic Tower 118.8.
Over to Republic 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. All right, so let's switch radios to tower.
Hello, Stable Flip.
273.
No,
We
tap
are
here.
Just that? Okay, there we go.
Let me get out of this. I want to change that, okay? We've activated the approach. We're direct Tracy. A little bit of power. Power to hold. So about 50. Something. Okay, we're at 2,000.
350, you said?
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're holding.
Scared me.
Put one notch of flaps. Okay. See us on the map.
Yep.
Okay. Engine heat off. Hello, Republic HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie. Just about a Tracy inbound on the 32 approach.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, Republic Tower. Good evening, continuing the approach runway 32.
Continue to approach 320 Delta Charlie. All right, it's going to turn inbound. Confirming. All right,
Yep.
see it here. Airspeed is good.
Star 4 Delta Sierra, midfield right downwind 32.
Why don't we put it out?
4 Delta Sierra, traffic 1.5 mile final.
Give it a little bit more power. As soon as we see the glide slope
Traffic in sight.
to about there, we'll drop gear. Not yet.
Follow the Cessna at runway 32, clear to land number 2.
All this is now runway 32, clear to land. Before Delta.
Engine, de-ice is off. Anti-ice is off. Go over here, go to my checklist. All right, seat belts. That's all done. We got one notch of flaps. That's good. The approach is active. See, autopilot
Left traffic.
on the approach. This is gonna start to come down.
Vertical track.
There it is.
So 4 Delta Sierra, you're in the base, sir?
Wait till this comes
We're
down.
at the base, 4 Delta.
Thank you. HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, runway 32, clear to land number 3. Traffic is a twin star on 2 mile right base.
Looking for that traffic, number 3, HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, clear to land.
When that little triangle thing drops the second dot, I can pull landing gear, right?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Almost there.
Runway in sight.
Alright.
So we want to watch for this twin star in front of us.
Oh, here we go.
There you go. Okay. So here's your indication. You want to make sure you got 3 green.
Uh-huh.
That's the 296, make a right 360 to too much extension.
I have it clear what's called the stall warning
Right,
advance.
296.
Oh.
Now I got the VREF again. Okay. Go ahead and put your landing flaps in.
What? Oh, pull one?
Next notch of flaps.
Am I in it? Am I good?
You tell me.
Yeah, I'm good. Okay.
I could see by the angle that the wind is off the left. You see it here, it's 15 knots off the left.
Right down
off
with
the
32
left,
at Chris
right? You can see how the airplane's approaching the runway.
1 mile.
Yeah.
Press up Alpha 1 mile 001.
So let the autopilot help us. Okay. You got the lights, 2 white, 2 red. Okay. We're on VREF. We're fully configured. Okay. Configuration landing data. We're good. Right. The flaps are in.
Number 4 Delta Sierra, left here at Alpha 4, where are you parking?
Alpha 4 and going to Echo Ramp 4 Delta Sierra.
4 Delta Sierra, you can stay with me, Alpha cross runway 1.
Taxi Alpha cross runway 1 with you, 4 Delta Sierra.
Pull some power. Take gears down. Landing flaps. A little bit power to hold. Okay. My feet are,
500.
the toes are on the brakes, the heels are on the rudders. 500 feet.
Left crossing 001.
Okay. I'm going to kick off the autopilot. Another minute. See how it's starting to straighten out a little bit? Because as you get closer to the ground, the wind usually has less of an effect.
Turn base, clear, stop and go.
Okay.
296.
Pull some power.
Minimums.
There's
Minimums.
Autopilot's off.
And Towers, NJet 27 is with you. We're just passing over Tracy on the visual to runway 32.
I'm right.
NJet 27, Republic Tower, runway 32, clear to land.
32 clear to land, NJet 27.
Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Power's out.
The 296, take your directed numbers, keep up the speed.
Directed numbers 5596.
A little bumpy.
5,000.
Okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. You got to feel the controls.
Number 001, extend down on
Okay.
way.
I'm applying. I'm on center line. I'm applying full brakes.
4,000.
100 0 Delta Charlie, stay parking.
Atlantic.
Number 0 Delta Charlie, make the left on runway 1, Bravo 6, Bravo with me.
Left 1, Bravo 6, Bravo with you, 0 Delta Charlie. Okay, so we got 1 coming up.
Where are we turning?
On runway 1.
Got us?
Yeah, here we are. This is runway 1. There's 2 planes behind us. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, it can be a little confusing. That's why I always zoom in the map.
I'm gonna
This-
center line us. If you'll let me. Hello.
Sorry. Okay, well, we want to go over Bravo 6.
Bravo 5. 2 more. I mean, 1 more.
Very good.
Where are you, Bravo 6? Oh, I see it. It's all the way down there. I'll just stay center for now. I was planning on going over there.
Thanks.
So smooth. Actually, no, it's kind of bumpy.
But, you know, a lot of times there's a lot of rubber, believe it or not, on the runways.
Oh, yeah, no, I can see it.
I'm 800.
Turn after the sign, not before, right?
After.
2000 feet
Good
without
to know.
double stop.
With you on the brakes.
Number 0 Bravo
Start
Yankee,
braking
straight in
now.
runway
A little bit. Slow it down. Slow it down.
32.
See those red lights? That's the end of the runway.
Before left 2 miles on the final
Oh, so yeah, definitely want to turn
That's African
before.
side, 001.
Number 001, follow the Gulf Stream.
Follow Gulfstream 001.
So it's in between the blue lights, but come left a little bit. Don't
And now we
hit
got
that
a
blue
blue
light.
light.
Okay.
Oh, I wasn't
I
gonna
just
go.
confirmed
Okay.
NJet 27 is clear to land 32.
NJet 27A from runway 32, you are clear to land. Traffic
Clear on the right.
Taking off again.
And then
Alright,
left?
thank you. One
Yes.
Okay.
Wind is 26010,
That's it.
gust 14.
Beautiful.
All right.
Beautiful.
Was that turn all me or were you
You.
doing it?
It's you.
About
It's you.
right now,
You're doing a little bit more. A little bit more. Stay in the center. Come back right. Hard.
That's the center? I thought the other one was the center.
No.
Whoops.
Okay.
It's okay, guys.
Okay. All right. Brakes. Toe brakes.
Yeah, you gotta do
Slow
that.
it down. Slow it down. You'll get used to that. Okay. You can always go slower, right? Well, on the ground. Okay.
Uh-oh.
You're good. You're good. On
Someone
the-
just fell behind us.
Oh, it was something in the cabin. Don't worry about it. All right. Let's see where the linemen are. Oh, okay. I see him. Okay. Hard left here.
Was that you or was that me?
Those both were okay. Watch the fuel trucks.
Anchorage 14, make a left 360.
And watch those fuel trucks.
360, 340.
All right. You see your line man?
Kind of.
Got the
Yeah, I
two-
see him.
Okay. So you got to turn right into that. Okay. Good. Good. Brakes. Brakes a
I
little.
can't reach the brakes, Dad.
Okay, I got brakes. Actually, it's a line woman. Excellent job, daughter. Excellent.
We did it.
Truly excellent.
Grand Rapids 3, parking at
Can you set the
Atlantic,
brake?
Make a
Oh, yeah.
reposition over to Republic North.
Okay, you just push out the
And,
end. Took me a long time to figure that one out.
I did it.
He did it. I won't say a long time, but a bit.
Took him a while. Took him 30 years.
Cessna
Alrighty.
296, make a right 360 to Wichita extension.